Jem DJ here with the Chief Peak, and today we're going to be doing a full body workout with the warm-up included.
So for this workout, we're going to be doing 8 exercises performed in supersets, which is 2 exercises to a set. We're going to do 2 sets of each superset. Our working time is 30 seconds, our break time is 15 seconds. In between the different supersets, we'll then take a 30-second extended break. If you like this workout, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to leave a comment and let us know what you thought about this workout and workouts you want to see in the future. Now let's get to work. All right, we got about 20 seconds until we get started with our warm-up. If you have a fitness tracking watch, be sure to start your workout now. Our first exercise we're going into is a trunk twist. So we're going to get our feet a little wider than shoulder width. What we're going to do here is start twisting at the upper body right here at the core, and then move in to twisting and rotating at the hips. Here we go. So just nice and easy here. Just trying to warm everything up, get it all nice and loose. Keep the core engaged when we're doing this. And what we're going to do here is start pivoting at the hips, rotating around, getting the feet into it. Opening up the hips now. Right as the heater turns on in this room. We're already starting to break a sweat.
Oh,
Next we're going to be going into chest openers.
Very starting will be.
Alright, so here's slight bend in the elbows. Pulling the arms back, stretching out the chest. When you come across, kind of cross the arms over, and you can stretch out the back while you're doing this. Also, if you want, you can kind of pull the arm across, stretch out the back and rear shoulder. Here we go. Remember, go at your own pace. You did turn the heat on, didn't you?
I turned it off.
It's hot in here. All right, next we're going to go into jumping jacks.
It's cold outside.
There we go. So low impact. What you're going to do here is just put a foot out, just like that. Nice and easy. Remember, go at your own pace. There we go. Next we're going to be going into bodyweight squats. Alright, so feet about shoulder width apart, dropping down, coming up. Make sure that when you drop down, your back is nice and straight, chest out, head up. There we go. If you want to put the arms out, you can. Try to keep your weight in your heels. If you can only do partial squats, have to come down halfway and come back up, that's totally fine. Do what you can, go at your own pace. After this, we're going into arm circles. One more. There we go. So, just nice little small circles right here. Hold hands with your workout partner if you want. Oh, there you go. Go into some bigger ones here. You can reverse it if you want. There we go. Warm up and stretch out those shoulders. There we go. Next, we can get our feet nice and wide for some alternating toe touches. Right here, so bend down. Oh, finally went to the right side for once.
There we go.
There we go. Nice and easy. So when you start bending, try to bend at the hips first, and then towards the end of the movement, you can bend at the lower back as needed. So we're warming up the hamstrings, and then warming up the lower back as well. After this, we'll take about a 20-second break and get into it. All right, we got about 20 seconds until we get started with the workout. Our first exercise we're going into is a squat with band pull apart. So what we're gonna do is take a nice light band, fold it in half, grab each end, and then we're gonna drop down into a squat. When we come up, we're gonna pull the band apart, drop back down into the squat. Here we go, so arms out, dropping down into the squat, come up, pull apart, bring it back together, drop down into a squat. There we go, so again, you drop down into the squat, back nice and straight, chest out, head up, weight in the heels. There you go. Nice and easy here, a couple more reps. Try to keep that head up. Let's get one more. Here we go, next we're going in to RDLs. So we can grab our bands. Step on it with both feet. Slight bend in the knees here. Bending at the hips. And then sinking the butt back. Coming back up. Here we go. So dropping down. Back stay straight. Sink the butt back. Hands nice and close to the legs. There we go. Chest out, head up as you come down. There we go. So it's okay if you can't go down and touch your feet or the floor. You don't need to. We're just trying to stretch out the hamstrings. So when we bend over, we should be feeling it right in here. There we go. All right, we're going back in. Squat with band pull apart. Set 2. Try to keep those arms up the entire time. Don't drop them. Here we go. So dropping down, coming up, pull apart. There we go. Again with these, if you can only go partial way down, that's fine. Come up, get the band pull apart. There we go. Good controlled movements. Keep that head up. Don't forget to breathe. There we go. Let's get one more. Feel the burn back there. All right, going back in to RDLs. Make sure with RDLs to choke up on your bands. So pretty much on the first rep every time, you'll see us kind of grab further down the band. You'll remember slight bend in the knees. Sinking the butt back, hands close to the legs. Back nice and straight as you come down, head stays up. Exhale as you stand back up each time. There we go. Let's get one more. There we go. Oh, we got a 30-second break, and then we're going in to seated rows, followed by push-ups or chest press. So you may need a mat for this. What we can do is sit down on our butt here. Make sure when you're doing this that you wrap the band around one or both feet completely like we do. See, now this way, no matter which way I pull it, it's not going to come off from here. Sit nice and tall, pull it back, come all the way back. There we go. Exhale as you're pulling the band back to you. There we go, sitting nice and tall here. We're right here. We're not like this, doing it. There you go. Pull back, squeeze. Come back. Pull back, squeeze. Come back. There we go. All right, so next we got chest press or push-ups. If you want to do push-ups, you can do push-ups on your knees. If not, for the chest press, what we're going to do is just put our legs out, put the band behind you, right here through the armpits, and then we're going to press out, come back. There we go. If sitting up like this is maybe a little too difficult, then what you could do is just drop back onto your back, and then just do a lying chest press like this. Let the elbows hit the ground, push back up, bring the hands together. As you extend the arms, exhale. One more. There we go. Going back in to bend over rows. Remember, wrap the band around at least 1 foot. Get the bands kind of even on each side there. There we go. Back squeeze. There we go. Good controlled movements. Push it. Back and squeeze. There we go. Try to get those shoulder blades to touch. We pull back. There we go. Oh, we got one more. There we go. Chest press or push-ups. So with the chest press, I'll show you real quick. When I grab the bands, I hold them like this, so then the band actually comes on my palm like that, instead of like this, and then it kind of aggravates that skin in between your thumb and index finger. So there's kind of multiple ways you can hold on to the bands. There we go. Push it out. There you go. You're getting them all on the toes. Keep going. Come on, one more. There we go. 30-second break. We're going into bicep curls and overhead tricep extensions.
Some water after that.
So for the curls, we're going to step on the bands with one or both feet. From here, palms facing out away from us, curling up, coming back down. Control the bands up, control the bands down. Here we go. So curling up, coming back down. When you come up, squeeze those biceps. There we go. It's also important to note that when you're up here, when you come down, the elbows stay by the side. A lot of times what you'll see is people kind of do this and then kind of come back. There we go. Good controlled movements. Alright, so for overhead tricep extension, all we're going to do is drop one of the handles and kind of scoot your foot further down to the band so you have a long end and a short end. Step through that long end, take it up and over. I put my thumbs through the handles. I don't know how Jen does.
I do too.
Jen does it different every time.
Just depends on the band.
There we go, coming up, back down. Keep those elbows nice and high. If you feel the band rubbing your back, just step further forward. And that's going to help out. Just make sure that that heel on the back foot isn't coming up. Let's get one more. There we go. Back into bicep curls. We're heating up now. Partially the workout, partially the heater.
70 degrees is all.
We have an ongoing war in this house with the AC. We're central heat and air.
It's true, we do. Who controls the heat today?
Come on. Let's go. Curl up, squeeze. Back down. Curl up, squeeze. Back down. One more. Here we go. Back into overhead tricep extensions. Remember, step through, and then you just bring it up and over. Nice and easy.
Don't look at me like that.
I'm thinking about how this room is turning into a sauna. This isn't hot yoga.
Well,
But it feels like it. Here we go. Come up, squeeze, back down. Up, squeeze, back down. Couple more reps. Come on, you got it. Keep pushing. Don't give up on us. Here we go. One more. Here we go. All right, we got 30 seconds. We're going into sumo squats. So for sumo squats, what you can do is just put your bands down on the ground like this in a nice straight line, and then we're going to step on the ends and then grab the center right here. From here, point your toes at like 11 and 1, and then we're going to drop down, come up. Couple seconds till we get started. Here we go. Dropping down, coming up. Keep that back straight, chest out, head up, weight in the heels. There we go. Good controlled movements. Exhale as you push back up. Inhale as you drop down. There we go. Good controlled reps. Try to drop down as far as you can. Here we go. All right, next going in to shoulder press. So if you can do shoulder press standing, that's fine. If not, you can do it kneeling, which is what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do here is actually take one of my bands, hold on to them. The other one, I'm going to put under my knee that is down, From here, shoulder or palms facing out away from us, pushing up, coming back down. As you can see, I'm using what I like to call the band stack method. And so you might have a stack of bands sitting with your handles, but you don't always have to use every band that is on the handles. So the blue one's just kind of up in front of me, not being used. It's kind of a great way to be able to have, you know, a lot of options, even though you only have limited quantities of handles. There we go, put it back out there. Back into Sumo Squats. Here we go, down and up. Don't forget to breathe, keep the back nice and straight, chest out. Here we go. What I like to do a lot is look at where the wall and the ceiling meet. That's going to help you kind of maintain good form with the back. We got one more. Here we go, going back into shoulder press. Last one, we are done. Here we go, up and down. Let's go. Try to keep your elbows in front of the shoulders at all times. Kind of pull them in just a little bit. So when we come down, we want to be here, not way back here. There we go. Couple reps left. Keep pushing. Now one more. Push up and come down. There we go. We are done. There we go.
Good job.
Good workout there.
Good job.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed the workout today.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.
And leave a comment.
Don't forget.
See you guys.
Bye.